Finding part-time jobs can be a challenging task, especially in a competitive job market like London. However, with the right approach and the help of recruitment agencies, you can discover a variety of part-time job opportunities that suit your skills and schedule. In this guide, we'll explore some effective job search tips, the role of recruitment agencies, and the latest part-time job vacancies in London. 1. Understanding part-time work in London. Part-time jobs are a flexible option for those who need to balance work with other commitments such as studies, family responsibilities, or personal projects. The London job market offers a wide range of part-time work in various sectors, including retail, hospitality, healthcare, and more. 2. Utilizing recruitment agencies. Recruitment agencies play a crucial role in connecting job seekers with potential employers. They have access to a vast network of companies and can help you find part-time job opportunities that match your skills and preferences. By registering with recruitment agencies in London, you can streamline your job search and increase your chances of finding suitable employment. 3. Effective job search tips. Optimize your CV. Tailor your CV to highlight your skills and experiences relevant to part-time work. Use online job portals. Platforms like Workers Direct, Recruitment Agency London, and Temporary Staff Agency are great for finding part-time job listings in London. Leverage social media. Utilize platforms like LinkedIn to network with professionals and discover job opportunities. Attend job fairs. Participate in job fairs and networking events to connect with employers and learn about available positions. 4. Exploring part-time job opportunities. Keep an eye on sectors that typically offer part-time positions, such as retail, hospitality, and customer service. Temporary jobs in London can also provide short-term employment opportunities. 5. Staying updated with London job agencies. Follow reputable London job agencies on social media and subscribe to their newsletters to stay informed about the latest part-time job vacancies and recruitment tips. Conclusion: finding part-time jobs in London requires a strategic approach and the utilization of available resources. Recruitment agencies can be your ally in navigating the London job market and securing part-time employment that aligns with your goals and lifestyle. Get in touch with us. Email www.workers-direct.com.